Hi, we are a DJI authorized maintenance and service center. So if you have a problem with your product, we'll be happy to service it for you because we do have certified technicians working with consumer, professional, even enterprise products. Our certified technicians specialize in all of our DJI products. We're a DJI authorized repair, maintenance, and service center. We work with your products, whether it's a consumer, professional, or enterprise, and we have certified professional technicians that works with a turnaround time of 7 to 10 business days. Our technicians specialize in repairing a wide range of products. All you have to do is come down to DJI Fifth Avenue, and our staff will walk you through the process of dropping off your product. You will be given an email with a specific ticket number so that you can track the process of your product. And this complimentary service will get you information within 5 business days. If you need your product sooner than that, we have an expedited service for only $75. We'll have an estimate of the cost of your repair in 2 business days, and the actual repair will be done in approximately 5 business days.